Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of famous street food which is Pav Bhaji. It has buttery, delicious veg gravy and served with pav buns or dinner rolls. Without further delay, let's get started. The texture of the gravy depends on how finely we are chopping the vegetables. I have used chopper to chop the vegetables finely. Take a kadai and add 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil. In goes 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it nicely until the raw smell goes off. Add in 2 finely chopped beans, 2 onions and 1 carrot. I have used chopper to chop the onions and the carrots. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Add in half a cup of finely chopped blanched cauliflower. I have soaked this cauliflower in hot water and sauteed mix for 10 minutes. The texture of the Pav Bhaji depends on how finely we are chopping the veggies. Add in salt as needed. In goes 1/4 cup of cooked green peas. Frozen green peas wouldn't taste best for this recipe. Add in 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Add in half a cup of water and cook the veggies. Cover it with the lid and cook well. I'm adding in another half a cup of water and cooking the veggies. Now add in 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Pav Bhaji masala powder. I have used ready-made Pav Bhaji masala powder. Add in 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi leaf and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything nicely until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Add in half a cup of water. I'm adding in water stage by stage. Add in half capsicum which is finely chopped. Pav Bhaji masala powder has salt in it, so you have to add less salt. Add in half a cup of water and salt. I have cooked these vegetables in medium flame by covering it with the lid. Once the vegetables are cooked well, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Mash all the vegetables nicely using a masher. This masher helps to get smooth consistency to the gravy. I have added half a cup of water and cooking it with closed lid. Now add in 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Potato is one of the main ingredients in Pav Bhaji. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. To make it faster, you can pressure cook all these vegetables as well. Add in 1 cup of water and give it a mix. Totally I have added 4 cups of water. Mash the gravy nicely with the masher. Add in chopped coriander leaves. Delicious buttery vegetable gravy is ready now. You can serve this gravy with bread as well. These are the store-bought pav buns. You can also use dinner rolls. Slit the pav buns halfway like this. I have chopped in 1 onion which we'll be using while serving. Let's move on to the final stage of making Pav Bhaji. Heat a tawa and add in 1 teaspoon of butter. Add a little Pav Bhaji masala and chopped coriander leaf. Fry the pav buns on both the sides like this. This adds extra flavor to the Pav Bhaji. By adding Pav Bhaji masala powder to the butter, it adds extra flavor to the Pav Bhaji. You can also toast the bread like this and serve it with the vegetable gravy. Buttery flavorful pav buns are ready now. While serving, add in 1 tablespoon of butter onto the gravy. This gives nice flavor to the gravy. Pav Bhaji served with chopped onions and lemon. Onion gives nice crunchy flavor and lemon adds tanginess to the Pav Bhaji. Do try this famous street food and enjoy with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. See you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.